Hello and welcome to our Cambridge First Certificate Exam Simulation course. In this course there'll be 8 simulated exams for you to practice, preferably with your partner because it's an interactive exam, and you will get used to the timings and the typical questions that you can be asked in the First Certificate exam. It will give you a great insight into what will actually happen on that very important day. Ideally, it's best to do it in pairs, so maybe with a friend who speaks English, obviously, or maybe the person that you know you're going to do the exam with. That would be the ideal situation. Having said that, part 1, part 2, and part 4 could be done on your own, practicing and listening. In an ideal situation, the best way to do the exam is with your partner and recording on your mobile telephone. In this way, you can listen back and listen to what you've said, decide if you can improve it or be rather impressed with what you've said. So it's very important to get that feedback, because in the situation of the exam, we can get nervous and lose sight of exactly what is being said. As I said before, it's really important to know the different timings in each section of the exam. So you're going to get a lot of help from the fact that you can see the timer on the videos in every part of the course. I really hope you enjoy this course and you get the maximum out of it. We feel here at Today's School, after seeing thousands of Today's School students passing the exam, that we have the know-how and the expertise to help you get that exam result. So remember, practice makes perfect, so start working with your partner on these fantastic exams. Have fun. See you later.